Hello everyone, once again welcomes you in a geometry session. Today we are going to learn more about the similarity, and under the similarity chapter we are going to learn about the test of similarity in our today's session. So students, we are already well familiar with the similar triangles. हमने पहले इसके बारे में डिस्कस किया है कि similar triangles यानी क्या. We know that the two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are equal in measure. तो तब हम दो ट्रायंगल्स को सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स कहते हैं. बट वी नो दैट द नेसेसरी कंडीशन, दीज आर द नेसेसरी कंडीशन टू प्रूव द टू गिवन ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर टू ईच अदर. बट इन आवर टुडेस क्लास वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी. टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी होती क्या है ये पहले हम जानेंगे. द टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी मींस दैट इज द group of such conditions or the bunch of some conditions that are required or that are sufficient to prove the given two triangles are similar to each other. Such group of or bunches of tests or conditions are called test of similarity. तो हमने ये देखा है कि टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी का मतलब ये होता है कि कुछ स्पेसिफिक कंडीशन का एक ग्रुप अगर दोनों ट्रायंगल्स फॉलो करते हैं तो वो दोनों ट्रायंगल्स पर्टिकुलर टेस्ट के थ्रू हम उन्हें सिमिलर प्रूव कर सकते हैं. इसका मतलब ये होता है इफ द टू ट्रायंगल्स आर fulfill the given three conditions, then they are also fulfill the remaining all conditions too. तो उसके बारे में हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे, लेकिन पहले ये जान लेते हैं कि what is the proper correspondence between the vertices of two triangles. पहले हमें इसके बारे में डिस्कस करना चाहिए कि what is the correspondence between the triangles. So first point that we are going to learn, one-to-one correspondence. One-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles. Between vertices of triangles. So what is the one-to-one correspondence? So remember that suppose we have the two triangles, any two triangles. Suppose first triangle ABC and the second one triangle that is PQR. Suppose this one is triangle PQR. So what is the one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles? तो यहाँ पे हमें ये जानना है one-to-one correspondence is actually the pairing of the vertices of triangles. So what is the pairing of the vertices of triangles? It means if we have the three vertices of a triangle ABC and another three vertices of another triangle PQR. So the proper matching or the pairing of the vertices by order, that is called one-to-one correspondence. It means here A paired with P as well as P paired with A, that is the first correspondence between the A and P. Next, B correspond to Q as well as the Q correspond to B, and last one C correspond to R as well as the R correspond to C. So these are the one-to-one correspondence between the vertices. और इसे हम ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं A one-to-one correspond to P, B one-to-one correspond to Q, and C one-to-one correspond to R. So this is called one-to-one correspondence between the vertices. But आपको यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आया होगा कि what is the requirement of the one-to-one correspondence for the similarity of triangles. So remember that the one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of the triangles is must play an important role for the similarity of the triangles as well as the congruency of the triangles. दो ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करने के लिए या फिर सिमिलर प्रूव करने के लिए हमें सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये याद रखनी होगी व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर करस्पॉन्डेंस बिटवीन द वर्टिसेस ऑफ द ट्रायंगल्स. Because according to the one-to-one correspondence between the vertices, we can simply judge which are the congruent angles of the both triangles as well as which are the corresponding sides which are in the proportion as well as the equal in the congruence of the triangles. तो side AB correspond to side PQ. यहाँ पे हमें एक बात याद रखनी है, फर्स्ट वर्टिसेस से जो साइड बनेगी वही सेकंड वर्टिसेस से, सेकंड ट्रायंगल के वर्टिसेस से बने फर्स्ट दो वर्टिसेस से बनने वाली साइड से इक्वल होंगे. नेक्स्ट लास्ट टू वर्टिसेस से बनने वाली साइड फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल की इज इक्वल टू द लास्ट टू वर्टिसेस मेड द अनदर साइड ऑफ द सेकंड ट्रायंगल, एंड द फर्स्ट एंड द थर्ड इज आल्सो इक्वल टू द फर्स्ट एंड द थर्ड. So this important thing is must play a part to the similarity of triangles as well as the congruency of triangles. But in this session we are going to discuss about the similarity of triangles. It means the test of similarity of two triangles. So when the two triangles are said to be similar, that we had already know that if two triangles having the same shape but not necessarily same in size, they are said to be similar triangles, but the necessary condition for the similarity of triangles, that is, two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal in measure and corresponding sides are in proportion. तो तब उन दोनों triangles को हम similar triangles कहते हैं. But in this session we are going to discuss about test of similarity of triangles. Test of similarity of triangles means the group of conditions that is sufficient to prove the given triangles are similar to each other. That group of conditions, it is called test of similarity. But guys, we had already well known or well familiar with the congruency or the test of congruency as well as the test of similarity of two triangles in our earlier class 9. But we know that there are 5 tests of congruency for the two triangles, but exactly only 3 tests of similarity for the two triangles. आपको याद रखना है कि दो ट्रायंगल्स की कॉन्ग्रुएंसी प्रूव करने के लिए हमारे पास 5 टेस्ट है, लेकिन दो ट्रायंगल की सिमिलरिटी प्रूव करने के लिए हमारे पास सिर्फ 3 टेस्ट अवेलेबल है. सो ये टेस्ट क्या होते हैं? दीज आर द ग्रुप ऑफ सम कंडीशंस दैट आर फुलफिल्ड बाय द बोथ ऑफ द ट्रायंगल्स साइमल्टेनियसली. तो ये आपको याद में रखना है. इसके बाद हम देखेंगे, आपको यहाँ पर 1-to-1 correspondence समझ में आ गया होगा. 1-to-1 correspondence is the proper pairing of the vertices of two triangles. So this is called 1-to-1 correspondence. A correspond to B, B correspond to A, B correspond to Q, Q correspond to B, and C correspond to R as well as R correspond to C. This is called 1-to-1 correspondence between the vertices. और इसी correspondence से हम sides भी represent कर सकते हैं. AB corresponds to PQ and PQ correspond to AB, comma BC correspond to QR and QR correspond to BC as well as AC correspond to PR and PR also correspond to AC. So the 1-to-1 correspondence is the most important thing for the similarity of triangles. Now we are going to discuss which are the 3 tests of similarity for the triangles. अब देखते हैं कि कौन से 3 टेस्ट है जो हमें दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर प्रूव करने के लिए हेल्पफुल होंगे. The next point, tests of similarity. तो फिर से एक बार बताना चाहूंगा, टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलरिटी इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ कंडीशंस that are required to prove that both of the given triangles are similar to each other. So in which first we are going to learn about, that is AAA test. The first test for the similar triangle, that is AAA test of the similarity, that is means angle test of similarity. So what is the angle test? So suppose by the one activity we are going to learn about the AAA test. For example, I have two different triangles. Suppose first triangle ABC and second triangle PQR. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. If in triangle ABC angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R, it means if by the 1-to-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if all 3 angles of first triangle are equal to the all 3 angles of second triangle, then we say that the both triangles are similar by AAA test. फिर से एक बार मैं रिपीट करना चाहूंगा, what is AAA test? For the 1-to-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, 1-to-1 correspondence is must required. For the 1-to-1 correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if all 3 angles of the first triangle are equal in measure to the all 3 angles of second triangle, then we say that both triangles are similar by AAA test. तो यहाँ पर हम बोल सकते हैं कि for the 1-to-1 correspondence, suppose ABC 1-to-1 correspond to PQR, ABC 1-to-1 correspond to PQR if angle A congruent to angle P, angle B congruent to angle Q, and angle C congruent to angle R, then we can say then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Remember that this is the symbol for similarity of two triangles, that is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. But when for the 1-to-1 correspondence between the vertices of triangle equal to the all three angles of second triangle, then the both triangles are said to be similar by AAA test. But there is one more thing for the AAA test. It can be also identified just AA test. हम AAA टेस्ट को सिर्फ AA टेस्ट के नाम से भी जानते हैं और यहां से आगे हम उसे वैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, बट वो क्यों होगा? So it means AA test means that is only angle test. It means for the one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if any two angles of first triangle are equal to the any two corresponding angles of other triangle, then the third pair of remaining angles of the both of the triangles is also equal. Because we know that there is a property of angles and property of triangle. The sum of the three angles of triangle is always 180 degree. हमें मालूम है कि तीनों ट्रायंगल्स के एंगल की सम हमेशा 180 डिग्री होती है. इसके हिसाब से हम देख सकते हैं कि if angle A and angle C are equal to angle P and angle R respectively, then angle B and angle Q are also equal to each other, because why? These two are the remaining angles of the same triangle ABC as well as PQR. So यहां से आगे आपको ये याद रखना है, AAA test is also can be identified as just a AA test, that is angle test. Okay. The second test that is we are going to learn, that is SAS test. The second test is SAS test. SAS test. So what is SAS? Again we are going to draw a figure of two triangles. Suppose this one is our first triangle, LMN, and suppose this one is the second triangle, ABC. Suppose the first triangle LMN and second triangle ABC, and if in these two triangles, suppose the sides of what is the SAS test? First of all, I would like to explain what is the SAS test. तो SAS test के बारे में हम ये जानते हैं, for a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, for the given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if any two sides of first triangle are in proportion with the any two sides of second triangle and corresponding included angles are equal in measure, then the both triangles are said to be similar to each other by the SAS test. इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा कि दो ट्रायंगल के वर्टिसेस के वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस से अगर एक ट्रायंगल की कोई भी दो साइड्स दूसरे ट्रायंगल की कोई भी दो साइड से करस्पॉन्डिंग दो साइड से अगर इक्वल प्रोपोर्शन में होंगे और जो दो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स हमने लिए हैं उनमें से जो इंक्लूडेड एंगल है वो दोनों साइड ने जिस एंगल को इंक्लूड किया है, अगर वो दो एंगल भी एक दूसरे को इक्वल होते हैं तो दोनों ट्रायंगल्स SAS टेस्ट से हम कॉन्फ्रेंट कर सकते हैं. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव द लेंथ ऑफ LM that is 2, length of AB that is 4, length of MN that is 3 and length of BC is 6. And if angle M equals to angle B, so here we have that is LM upon AB, it is equal to 2/4, it means 1/2 ratio. MN upon BC, that is 3/6, it means also the ratio 1/2. It means the two sides of triangle LMN are in equal proportionate to the two sides of triangle ABC, and the corresponding included angles by the given two sides, that is angle M equal to angle B, then we can say that the both of the triangles LMN and ABC are similar to each other by SAS test. तो यहाँ पर हम कह सकते हैं for the one-to-one correspondence LMN one-to-one correspond to ABC if LM upon AB is equal to MN upon BC equals to 1/2 ratio आएगा इनका, and angle M congruent to angle B, then we can say that then triangle LMN similar to triangle ABC by SAS. Then the both triangles are said to be similar to each other by SAS test. तो ये रही आपकी सेकंड टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी फॉर वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस। आपको एक बात और मैं बताना चाहूंगा, वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस हम कितनी दफा कितने अलग अलग तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं दो ट्रायंगल्स के बीच में। सो वी कैन परफॉर्म द वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस बिटवीन द वर्टिसेस इन 6 डिफरेंट वेज। तो 6 बार हम वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस दोनों ट्रायंगल का मैच कर सकते हैं। अब इन 6 में से कोई भी एक वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस भी अगर मैच होता है और बाकी के कंडीशंस अगर दो ट्रायंगल्स फुलफिल करते हैं तो दो ट्रायंगल्स सिमिलर है ऐसा हम कह सकते हैं। ओके, सो द लास्ट टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलरिटी, दैट वन थर्ड, the third test, that is yes test. Yes test. So we can think what is SSS, that is yes means side test. So what is this side test? So simply we can imagine side means if the three sides of first triangle are equal proportionate to the corresponding three sides of other triangle, then we can say that the both triangles are similar by SSS. आपको यहाँ पे ज्यादा ब्रीफ में बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं समझता हूँ कि कोई भी एक वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस आउट ऑफ द 6, हम 6 डिफरेंट टाइप में वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। आउट ऑफ द 6 वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंसेस और एनी वन टू वन करस्पॉन्डेंस between the vertices of two triangles, if all three sides of first triangle are in proportion with the all three corresponding sides of second triangle, then we can say that the both triangles are similar by SSS test. तो यहाँ पे आप एक एग्जांपल लेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल suppose we have triangle PQR and the second one triangle XYZ. For example, we have the two triangles, triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, and for the one-to-one correspondence, suppose PQR one-to-one correspond to XYZ if side PQ upon side XY equals to side QR upon side YZ equals to side PR upon side XZ, then we can say that then triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ by yes test. These are the three tests for the similar triangles. This is yes test, and previous two are the AA test as well as the yes test. So these are the three important tests for the similar triangles. Now we are going to learn about the properties of similar triangles. अब हम देखेंगे what are the properties of similar triangles. So you have already studied about the properties of congruent segments in the 9th standard. हमने 9th standard में देखा था कि congruent segments की properties क्या है. The same properties are applied for the similarity of two triangles or the similar triangles. Properties of similar triangles. So the first property of similar triangles, that is reflexivity property. Reflexivity. So what is the reflexivity property? That we know that every triangle is similar to itself. That is called a reflexivity. It means triangle ABC similar to triangle ABC. This one is the first property of similar triangles. Second property of similar triangles, that is symmetry. Symmetry property of similar triangles. The symmetry property of similar triangles is that is if first triangle is similar to second one, the second triangle is also similar to first one. तो ये होगी, इसका मतलब होगा if triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, then triangle PQR is also similar to triangle ABC. Vice versa. This is the second property of similar triangles. Now the third property of similar triangles, that is the transitivity property. Transitivity. So what is the transitivity property? Suppose we have the three similar triangles, triangle ABC, triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. Then if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ, then the relation between the triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, they are also similar to each other. तो इसका मतलब if triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, comma triangle PQR similar to triangle XYZ, then triangle ABC is also similar to triangle XYZ. So these are the three properties for the similar triangles and they are the three tests of similar triangles. So अगर आपको इस सेशन के बारे में कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो, आप मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो, मैसेज कर सकते हो, कुछ भी कर सकते हो जो आपको ठीक लगे। और अगर चाहो तो कोई भी सेशन दोबारा आप मुझसे सुन सकते हो। थैंक यू सो मच।